Hey guys, this is Amal from TechLeatherCraft. In this video I want to show you guys some new leathers that will be available on my website pretty soon. I'll be phasing out the burgundy Chromexcel I have and be adding these new ones. This is kind of the standard brown Horween Chromexcel that you kind of see. It's pretty common. I used to carry this leather, but I actually went with the burgundy. But I'll be phasing that out and replacing it with this new brown. And this is the multi-slim. It has two pockets. In the front, has the middle pocket for cash, and in the back pocket for cash or cards. This is the same design, but this is the new blue Cavalier Chromexcel. So it's got a really dark blue. You can see it's kind of bright blue in the inside. In certain lighting, it can look really dark, like almost black, but in this lighting, you can kind of see the dark blue. And of course, thread choices will be available for that too. And then this is the ultra slim. You guys have seen these. It has the front pocket for multiple cards here, and then you can put cash in here folded once, and cards, my least frequently used cards, all shoved down in there. So the ultra slim will be available now in the brown Chromexcel and the blue Cavalier Chromexcel, and the multi slim also with the two front pockets, the middle and the back pocket. And just to remind you guys, cash does fit into the inside of the multi-slim in the middle, or you can stick it into the back pocket too. And then, you can also put cards back here too. Business cards should also fit, standard size business cards. But yeah, so the multi-slim has more pockets, more options, if you're interested in that. Otherwise, the ultra slim is pretty good too. Alright guys, just wanted to show you guys some new leather options that'll be coming to my website. Once again, I'll be phasing out the burgundy in the ultra slim and the multi slim, and I'll have the new brown Chromexcel and the blue Cavalier Chromexcel. They all have a pull-up effect. It may be less noticeable on the blue, but and so they have a really nice, cool pull-up effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in tech, leathercraft, EDC, and multi-tool stuff, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will have more stuff coming up soon. I just wanted to do a quick intro on some new leathers that are coming up for 2022. I have been kind of busy with stuff last year and in 2020 with all the stuff that was going on, but I do have more stuff coming up on my website. So you can check it out, techleathercraft.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.